This is Shimmer. He's 9 weeks old now. He's eating on his own, of course. He's flying around the bird room. This is his father. So I don't let him out with him because he gets kind of nasty with him. So I'm just going to let him out a little bit at a time. So I think actually Shimmer's a female, and I don't want him to try to breed with her. I think she's a female because she's picking at stuff and ripping up her paper, and looks like she already wants to make a nest. But I could be wrong. Yeah, Shimmer? Shimmer. Shimmer's very nice. Come on, Shimmer. Usually Shimmer goes on my hand. Come on. Come on, Shimmer. What's up? Come on. And this is the father. His name is Banana. I'll show you the mother. Over here. She's on a nest, but they're not fertile because I don't let them go together anymore. I just let her stay in the nest because otherwise she'll lay eggs forever. There's just one egg in there that's been there for weeks and weeks and weeks. So I just let her be. Otherwise she'll pick out all her feathers and just goes crazy. So she's just so happy in the nest. So that's her. That's Autumn. Hi, Autumn. The mother. That's the mother's cage, and Shimmer's cage is right beside hers. And Shimmer's not in it, of course. And we get back to Shimmer and her father. Shimmer, are you afraid of the camera? Come on. Shimmer. Shimmer, come. Shimmer. Shimmer. Nope. Shimmer don't want to come right now. Shimmer? You trying to clean yourself? Hi. No? Embarrass me in front of the camera. Oh, there you go. There's Shimmer. Bye for now.